Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research. Try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you. And this one is the brand Ajyad. Ajyad is another Middle Eastern brand from United Arab Emirates, and I have unboxed and reviewed at least 4 or 5 of their fragrances, and so far they impressed me, especially for the price. They are under £20 and they usually are, they smell good. The ratio for what I pay and what I get is very good. So when I saw this beauty, this one is called Billionaire Affair. With a name like that, I couldn't resist. So again, this is another at under £20 in United Kingdom. In other places, I'm expecting it to be similar prices, maybe a little bit more, a little bit less, it depending on the availability and is it, you can find it or not. But before I do this unboxing, there are 2 things. One, if you hear some background noise, unfortunately the next door neighbor is doing building work and I cannot control it. Sorry about that. And also, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help and your encouragement will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So overall, all over gold, and it says Billionaire Affair, and this one is Ajyad Toilet, which is quite surprising. Usually with Middle Eastern fragrances, majority of the time they are Ajyad Parfum. But it says 80% volume, so that's 20% oil in here, which to me that is Ajyad Parfum. But on the box says Ajyad Toilet, and this is what it comes like that. Anyway, so let's do the unboxing. Sorry about the noise. Okay, so as I said, all over gold. Again, attention to details, always good with the Middle Eastern brands. This one has been leaking. Oh, I can smell it very strongly. Okay, so this is the bottle. The bottle is very good looking. It's quite unusual, but I like it. The only thing is this bottle unfortunately has been leaking. It's 100 ml Ajyad Toilet, as I said, and the cap is plastic. And here we go. Very good atomizer. Okay, so how is Ajyad Billionaire Affair Ajyad Toilet 100 ml under £20 in the United Kingdom? First impression, here we go. Beauty. So this is quite masculine, but yeah, it's quite masculine. Yeah, it's quite masculine. So straight away I can smell woods, so it's very woody, and also it's, at the moment is very zesty, very citrusy. The citrus is here is very juicy, so it's very inviting. It's very easygoing. Goodness me, what a beauty. So it opened up like I can smell bergamot, I can smell lemon, I can smell grapefruit, I can even smell some lime. So it's a big citrus in the beginning, and that lifts it up, making it happy, making it sunshine, making it summer. So this is very good for warmer weather, because of those citruses in the beginning. Is just making it super happy, super easygoing, super careless attitude to it. So very good. I can smell again some woods in the background, and the woods are here cedar, maybe sandalwood, maybe because it's quite smooth. but there is no oud in here, which is, as I said, this is very, very good for warmer weather in the summer. And I can smell something, little bit of earthiness coming from, maybe there's a patchouli in here as well, because it's giving that earthy, little bit of rooty, dusty feel to it as well. It's got ambery body, but amber is here is very light, and is again is just there to support everything, to give it that roundness. But the biggest player right now is the citruses, are huge, huge, huge citrus. So the opening was superb, very, very well done, and very inviting, very juicy, and very mouth-watering. I can smell some sweetness. The sweetness here is around 6, 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest is around 6 or 6.5. So it is sweet, but it's not over sweet, and that sweet is with the sweetness with the these big citruses in the beginning, and makes it again very appealing. It's very inviting. It's very almost like a summer feel to it, and almost it is like a summer feel. It's like a, you know, you're sitting on the beach and you're drinking your cocktail. It's so good. I can smell some musky element in here as well in the background, giving it, you know, another freshness, another element of fresh summery feel. The musk here is not deep danky or in skanky musk. No, it's a very safe, smooth, and also quite friendly and fresh musk. So the musk in here is very fresh. I'm smelling some synthetic element like Isui Super and also ambroxan. Ambroxan as Isui Super are mixed here and making it again very uplifting, quite woody, quite ambery, and making it again very easygoing and careless almost. Yeah, I can smell vanilla, but the vanilla here again is very smooth and not overpowering. Is in the background, which is very, very good, because it's letting the citruses shine, and the vanilla lifts everything up, and also giving it a little bit of sweetness to counterbalance those sour, especially the grapefruit. You know, I can smell big grapefruit in here. So it's quite fruity, it's quite citrus in the beginning, and that vanilla is counterbalance these citruses and makes it very, very nice. So overall it smells very good. Is it a billionaire affair? I don't think so. Maybe maybe not even a millionaire affair, maybe just somebody's well-off affair. Okay, so smells good, but it doesn't smell, you know, anything superbly special or anything very unique. This DNA is done many times before, and it's not a copy, but it takes you to Mont Blanc. What was that? The black bottle. I forgot the name of it. Anyway, so it is the DNA in here. It is done many times before. When you smell it, it's very familiar. But for under £20, smells good. The quality is good, especially for the price. What was it? Oh God. Anyway, it will come to me later on. So quite masculine, yes, but if you like this kind of fragrances, ladies can wear it, because this one it is targeted to unisex, and it is not unisex. To me, it leans a little bit towards the masculinity, but if you like this kind of fragrance, it doesn't mean anything. Best application for it is warmer weather, summer, and things like that. Daytime, nighttime, you can dress it up, dress it down. You can wear it any time you want, so it's very, very versatile. And in terms of the age, this is ageless, because it's very, very friendly. It's very it's on the simple side of things. It's not very complicated, but things like this, it will get you the most attention in public, you know, because majority of people out there, they like simpler fragrances, and a fragrance like this, it will give you the most attention. If you care about that, it will get you the most attention and the compliments and people will probably get, smell it and liking it. So it's a crowd pleaser, it's a people pleaser, and that's why under £20 to me, that is very, very good value for money. Smells very good, smells very good, but again, it's done before many times, and it's nothing special, it's not groundbreaking. So the name Billionaire Affaire is a bit of exaggeration. A big exaggeration, yeah. Maybe, as I said, somebody well off affair, yeah, not a billionaire, even not a millionaire. So but I'm happy, apart from the fragrance leaking a little bit, which what can you do, but apart from that, I'm very happy with the presentation. It's good for under £20, smells good, quality is good, and in the next video I'll let you know the longevity, the performance and things like that, because if it lasts, then we have an amazing banger on our hand. But for first impression, first sniff, yes, I'm liking it very much, and I will let you know in the next video the rest of it. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. As always, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you support me, you motivate me, you encourage me to make videos like this in future. Your help will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate it. If you'd like to purchase one of my own fragrances, they're out of this world. They are super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, and amazing value for money, and they smell intriguing, very unusual, but you need to live in our kingdom in order to purchase them. I'll leave the links in there. If you have it, if you know it, if you've tried it, let us know your experience. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye.